Oh my God, you guys, it has been almost a month since I did a YouTube video. So first of all, sorry. Second of all, quarantine, daughter at home with me. No way I can do videos while she's doing schoolwork. It's just been crazy, hectic, but I have been neglecting YouTube. So what can I say? I can't apologize. It's just life. I'm so glad I'm here now. And today, I'm gonna be showing you how I do my lipstick, my nude lipstick, because I get asked about it almost every day. What lipstick do I use? How do I line my lips? So I thought I'd do a really simple, basic lips, and let's get right on into this video. I will scoot you guys in a little bit, but the first thing I wanted to tell you is get an array. If you guys want to do this with me, go ahead and get an array of lip pencils. So I have, as you can see, I'm a nude girl. Like 90% of these are in the nude range. My most favorite lip liner of all is Jordana Coco Loco. This is $3. And it is like my go-to for a nude lip with a brown overline, which we're gonna do today. I also have Kat Von D, Laura Mercier. I have many different MAC liners here, but really, really inexpensive ones, also like from LA Colors that are like $1. But my favorite is the Jordana, so I'm gonna start with that. Then I want you guys to grab some nude lipsticks of choice. Today, I'm gonna be using super inexpensive, like this is LA Colors liquid lipstick. It is $2. It's my favorite. This is in Cuddles. And then these are what I've been using, the Stay Mattes and the Stay Satins by Rimmel. I'll list all the colors below because I probably cannot see the names of them. This one is Raw Embrace, and this one is Take a Chill Pill. I love all of these, but you guys can also just use, like, this is a Revlon, what's it called? Nude Attitude. This is Revlon Nude Attitude. See if you can focus in on that. So you could use something like that. And then if nude is too much and you want to add a little pink, I love mixing colors. This is the Milani. You can always mix if you want to use a cream instead of a liquid. I love liquid just because I am lazy and I don't like reapplying my lipstick all day. And the liquid lipsticks happen to last all day. If you don't know how to use liquid lipsticks, I'll link a video right here in my Back to Basics, and you can go ahead and do that now. Okay, so I am using the liquid lipstick today, and it is going to be the Rimmel Stay Satin, and the color is Take a Chill Pill. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is moisturize your lips, and I went ahead and used the Rimmel lip conditioner, but you can use even chapstick. Usually I like to do this in the beginning of my makeup, so by the time I get to my lipstick at the end, like 20 minutes later, it's already like moisturize my lips. So you can go ahead, if you're gonna put it on right now, just go ahead and make sure you really get it into your skin. Push it in. You don't want it really like greasy on top of your skin before you put a liquid lipstick on. If you're gonna use a regular lipstick, don't use any moisturizer underneath. But I am using liquid lipstick, which is known to be very drying. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and put this all over. Now this is the wand. That's the wand of the Rimmel. I'm just gonna actually go on the outer, like right on the tip where it's like white around the lip. I'm gonna go actually over that, like imagining that's the end of my lip rather than under where the actual pigment is. So this is key. I wanna see if you can tell that I actually went over that. Now this stuff dries pretty quick. I'm not too careful about it. I kind of just, the top lip is most important. I go over it twice because you don't have that much time before it's actually gonna start to dry. And then see if it gets a line in there. I hate that, so before it's dry, I go in there and kind of blend that out. Okay, so here's my main lip. One other thing I forgot to tell you guys, you need a brush, a blending brush, a lipstick pencil brush, or a little lip brush that you can blend out with. Okay, that's it. As simple as that. Now, as you can see, let me see if I can zoom you in. I went a little bit over the top of my lips. Okay, I didn't start just where the pigment was, I went a little bit over. And that's gonna be my guide to help me actually overdraw my lips. So I'm gonna use the Jordana Coco Loco. And let's get lining. So this is what I personally like to do. You guys might not, but I like to go right over the Cupid's bow. So I'm actually going to create, instead of the divot, I'm gonna go over it. So that looks a little bit unusual, I know, but I really love that look. So that's, you guys can go in the divot and go down. I'm gonna go over. So I've already like went over the lip, overlined it, so it's a guide, and then I'm gonna go even on top of that white line. Now it does divot naturally. I tried to go right over it, but it did divot naturally. And really I want to line over the top. I don't want to go all the way out here, just the top and then the bottom. So I'm just going to go a little bit lower than where the natural line of my lips is. And really just right there in the center. And that's it. That's enough lipstick, lip liner for me, because I'm just going to blend it out for now. I'm going to use just that amount of product and blend it out with a blending brush. I'm going to start with the bottom. And then I drag the remainder up. And what that does down there, it actually makes your lip look like the shadow that it's protruding out to give it a more of a pouty look. People ask me about this all the time. Yes, I already have rather larger lips, but I like them to be even more pouty. That's just my preference. And since you guys asked, I'm making the video. Then I'm gonna go over the top. And again, you don't want to drag it down the sides. It's mostly the top. Sometimes I like to go over it a little bit more. I like it really dark. And actually where that white line is, I don't want that white line showing through. So I like to darken it right over that white line. It does take some practice. Now my lips are uneven, you can see, so you might want to try and even that up. It's all an illusion, guys. It's just an illusion. Oh. Who remembers that song from the 80s? I don't remember the band. You remember that song Illusion from the 80s? Write it in the comments. All right. And yeah, that is like, I literally wear this, I literally wear this look every day, every single day of my life. And my daughter is like, Mom, why do you love nude lipstick so much? It's just my personal preference. Now you guys can certainly try this with other colors. I think it would come out totally cool, but it's a way that I overline my lips. And if I had $1 for every time you guys on Instagram ask me, how do you overline your lips? I would be a rich woman. I really would. So I hope you guys really like this. Please comment below. Say whatever you want, because it's a crazy look, but I love it. Makes me happy. And I think women should do whatever the heck they want that makes them feel happy and beautiful. And while I'm on that, shout out to 1968 in the house. That's the year I was born, you guys. If you guys are into buying this necklace and rocking out the year that you were born to give power to mature women, to take the stigma out of all the fear of telling people your age. Do you feel embarrassed about telling people your age? Well, this is a way that I can shout it out to the whole world around my neck, and I love it. And I think we should start a revolution. Women over 50, we're taking over the world, right? We're taking over the world. Okay, that's it for me, you guys. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Make sure to follow me here, you guys. Subscribe to this channel. Let me know that you're out there still, that you're still following me, because I haven't been doing anything for like a month. And then I do literally IGTV on Instagram television. I do a video once a week there, and I have a whole series there: workouts, makeup, beauty, skincare, diet, everything. So hope you guys like it, and thank you guys so much, and I will see you very soon in the next one. And the next one, hey, what color lipstick would you like me to do next? Also the hair, look at all the roots. That's 1 month of quarantine. I don't mind. I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind. What song is that? I think that's a Replacements. Oh my God, that's like taking it back. That is like a boyfriend, that's not the Replacements. I don't even remember, that's like from the 90s. That's like my boyfriend from the 90s. That reminds me of him, that song. You know, songs give us so many memories. All right, I'm off on a rampage. You guys, mwah, have a great day. Bye.